Hello dear students, this is 7th video for NEET questions and solutions only for toppers. We have discussed conceptual questions in last 6 videos. One more video is here. Very conceptual questions from particularly chapter 9 standard 11 biomolecules. Let us see. First question. Select correct option for statements given below. Four statements are given here, P, Q, R and S. Statement P, all lipids contain glycerol and fatty acid both. Q, based on number of amino and carboxyl group, there are acidic, basic and neutral amino acids. Statement R, in solutions of different pH, the type of amino acid also changes. And S, palmitic acid contains 15 carbons in R group. Let us decide which is correct and which is incorrect. All lipids contain glycerol and fatty acid both. No, it is incorrect. Glycerol is also lipid, fatty acid is also lipid, but majority of lipids contain both glycerol and fatty acid. So first P is incorrect. Second, that is confusing. Based on number of amino and carboxyl group, there are acidic, basic and neutral amino acids. Is that correct? Yes, it is correct. You will think there is always one amino and one carboxyl group. Yes, it is correct. But here, this is amino and carboxyl group present in R group also. So if amino group present in R group, there will be two amino group. So it will become basic amino acid. If there is a carboxyl group in R group, it will be acidic. So Q is correct. R, in solutions of different pH, the type of amino acid also changes. Is that correct? No, it is incorrect. Type of amino acid do not change, form of amino acid is changing. Zwitterionic form, it is not type. Guanine will not convert into glutamic acid. So R is incorrect. S, palmitic acid contains 15 carbons in R group. Is that correct? Yes, it is correct. Palmitic acid has total number of carbons 16 with COOH. So as a R group, obviously it has 15 carbons. So P is incorrect, R is incorrect. So Q and S are correct. So here answer is 4. You can see here red color indicates what is incorrect. You can see here also in first figure, you can see 4 structures of amino acid. First 2 are acidic and second 2 are basic. You can see COOH is present in first 2 amino acids, and in R group also there is COOH, it is acidic. In second means 3 and fourth amino acid both have amino group normal plus both have amino group in R also lysine and arginine. So it is both are basic amino acid. Second figure, that is sweeter ionic form. So type do not change. Third, palmitic acid, total number of carbon are 16, but as R group there is a 15 carbon. So answer is 4. Let us see one more question. Which of the following group contains nitrogen as a molecule? Select correct option for it. Which are options? Let's see. This is group P, Q, R, S and T. Group P, guanine, cytosine, serine, alanine, lecithin, chitin, T, glucose, galactose. Now, which group contains nitrogen? Let us see. P, guanine, cytosine, that is nitrogen base, obviously it contains nitrogen. Q, serine, alanine, both are amino acids, so amino group is present, both have nitrogen. Now R, lecithin, lecithin is phospholipid, it has phosphate, Yes, but with phosphate there is nitrogen also. It is nitrogenous phospholipid. So lecithin also contains nitrogen, and chitin is an acetyl glucose amine. It has amine group, so it also contains nitrogen. And last, glucose galactose do not contain nitrogen. So here answer will be 1. P, Q, R and S. All these four contains nitrogen. You can see here structure of phospholipid lecithin. Nitrogen is there, indicated in red circle. Below this, N-acetyl glucosamine, chitin structure is given. Here also nitrogen is present. So answer is 1. Let us see one more question. Study the structure given below. Now, which structure is this? It is phospholipid. Let us see its options. Select correct option for statements given below for above structure. Let us see options. It is arranged in a bilayer of cell membrane. It is complex lipid. And third, R. It has 2 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. Now first two you will decide very easily. It is arranged in a bilayer of cell membrane. Yes, it is correct. It is complex lipid. Yes, it is correct because it has phosphate. Lipid plus non-lipid. As a non-lipid, phosphate is there. So it is complex lipid. Now third, it has 2 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. Observe this structure very carefully. First and second carbon, fatty acids are there, but with third carbon there is no fatty acid. So it has 2 fatty acids, and obviously this molecule is of glycerol. So glycerol is there, 1 molecule. 2 fatty acids are also there. So third R is also correct. You can see here 2 fatty acids, but third is not fatty acid. Lipid plus non-lipid, that is complex lipid. And one more conceptual thing. When you are drawing structure of cell membrane, you represent lipid as like this, glycerol and fatty acid. And in that structure, you are drawing 2 fatty acids. You are drawing 2 fatty acids like this. So only 2 fatty acids are there. Clear? Let us see one more question. Here answer is PQR. All this correct. Answer is 2. Let us see one more question. Identify structure given below and select correct option for statements given below about it. Now this structure is triglyceride. Let us see P. It is triglyceride. Yes, it is triglyceride. Q. All 3 fatty acids in this structure have different number of carbons. R. It is also called trihydroxypropane. S. Its molecular weight is less than 800 Dalton. Now which are correct from this? First, it is triglyceride. Second, we have to think all 3 fatty acids in this structure have different number of carbons. Here structure is given R1, R2 and R3. So all these have obviously different number of carbons. If carbon numbers are same, then this fatty acid will be same because fatty acid represented as RCOOH. If there are same carbon, it will be same R1, R2, R3. So Q is correct. R. It is also called trihydroxypropane. No, it is not called trihydroxypropane. Trihydroxypropane is glycerol. This is not glycerol. This is triglyceride. So R is incorrect. And its molecular weight is less than 800 Dalton. Yes, its molecular weight is less than 800 Dalton. But it is found from acid insoluble fraction. So So here P, Q, S are correct. So here answer is 2. P, Q, S are correct. R is incorrect. Let us see one more question. Select correct statement for structure given below. Now किसका स्ट्रक्चर दिया है? ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल है भाई. Let us see options. This is very easy question. It is complex lipid. It is found in cell membrane also. It is found in cell wall of plants. It is triglyceride. Which is correct? Yes, obviously second is correct. It is found in cell membrane also, given in lesson 8. So it is not complex lipid. It is not found in cell wall of plants and it is not triglyceride also. So here answer is 2. तो ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन यहां से रखे जाएंगे, डिस्कस किए जाएंगे. पेपर्स फॉर नीट प्रैक्टिस विल बी पब्लिश्ड इन शॉर्ट टाइम. तब तक ये वीडियो देखते रहिए.